Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you JE wireless car charger. A car phone mount with 15 watt fast QI charge. Yeah, but it is a 3-in-1 device. That means you do not have to use it inside your car, but you can use, of course, because there is an car lightning dock and of course a USB cable to mount this device with your standard AM AC adapter of your smartphone. It is compatible, for example, for iPhone 11, 11 Pro, and the 11 Pro Max, XS, XR, down to 8 Plus. Galaxy Edges, Galaxy Notes, all QI and embed smartphones are compatible with. So a QI standard device here. This is a 3-in-1 silicone car wireless charger. It is a 3-in-1. Now, yeah, for a car, for office, for tables, for everywhere you like to use it. UT-29 is that device. Combines charger and phone holder in one unit, so you can put your phone in your car when you are driving. Meanwhile, you can charge it through that wireless charger. It is not only used for your car, but also can be used in, as I said, office, home, table, etc. Living home. Whole piece of silicone pad. No complicated installation procedure without magnets, screws, or suction cup. Just put it on the area you like to use it. And this silicone surface will hold it in position. But take care, it is not so stable on curved areas. So it should be a flat area. Like I test this on my bottom and it sticks over there. It sticks in place. Really nice. But if you do this on your dashboard, have a look. You have to be a dashboard with a nearly flat surface, and then it will and stay in position. Or at your armrest. Your armrest maybe is the best primary area for this device. So, just put it on and it will be fine. Organize your small things in order. So you can order the sunglasses, push this in position, coins, pens, credit cards, keychain, cell phones, suitable for any type of cars if flat dash surface, such as cars, trucks, SUVs, etc. Durable, non-toxic, good silicone material. It feels really good with comfortable hand feeling and no plastic contained. The rectangular design of this product can be in large areas contact with a mobile phone, easy to place and not restricted by position. In my other QI standard devices, there is often a problem with the docking area. That means if you not place your smartphone in the center of the device, it will not reload your battery. In this case, there's a big area to get it in position. That means put your smartphone inside the edges of this device and it will get the energy inside your battery. The holder comes with QC 3.0 adapter and longer 4.6 feet cable. Ensure safer driving whatever you are taking, navigating, listening to music and charging at the same time. It is a universal design. It holds any phone securely horizontally for easy and comfortable viewing and use. But do not use your phone while you are driving as the driver, okay? Special design to be compatible with OtterBox cases. JE 3-in-1 design combines charger, phone holder, and storage box in one unit. Wireless car charger and the phone holder with anti-skidding design makes the GPS and the phone call more convenient. The silicone pad design can protect charger from sliding back and forth. It stays in position because of the silicone friction. But your phone has to be horizontally in the area. Do not do it in a not flat area. This is a little bit dangerous if your will break immediately, etc. Okay, this is a little bit tricky. So safety first, okay? But you can do more. You can use it as smartphone holder. That means you can slide your smartphone 90 degrees and put it in position in the center of this device. But take care, in this position, if it is only a holding system, it will not reload your smartphone. The reload function is only on the flat side of the surface. Okay? The silicone pad design can protect charger from sliding back and forward. It stays put due to silicone friction. Put your phone horizontally in the slot to use as a holder for phone or GPS in car. And simplistic installation, single-handed operation, no tools are needed. Really needed. And it feels in a good condition because of the silicone. It's not plastic. You feel it. If you can handle it, it's no problem. You have a USB plug. You have a case-friendly and a charge fast, because you can charge by 15 watt power the Samsung devices, for example. You can charge Apple devices with 10 watt, and 5 watt I think it was for the standard way of smartphone. Okay, you have a thick border for protection. It is 20.5 centimeters. These are 0.67 inches length, 2 centimeters to 11.2 centimeters. This means it is a large wireless charger. My other chargers are too tiny, and I'm looking forward to a larger one like this here. And this I think is really awesome because it is 15% faster and 45% larger charging range. This was my favorite thing to buy this product. 45% larger than my standard QI devices. Really awesome. And it works. I will not use it in my car, but I will use it in my house, okay, for QI reloading area. Useful wireless phone charger. It can be a nice wireless car charger while using or while driving, and it is a helpful wireless charger at office and home. Convenience and safe for driving. Put your phone on wireless charging mat. You will get the charging start. Just pick it up from the wireless car charger mount for answer calls non-slip when you're driving. Make for you a need as a wireless charger, as a holder, as a GPS stand, as a wire charger, as a storage box. Oh, you can use it for all these setups. You have a free QC 3.0 adapter included. It comes with a high-quality standard car charger adapter when you're using GPS stand, so you use a wired charger with the QC 3.0 car adapter. But you can also use it on your power supply, like your smartphone power supply. Easy, you can choose. The rectangle design of that product can be in large areas contact with a mobile phone. Easy to place it, not restricted by positions. The holder comes with a good adapter, a long cable, and ensure safe driving. whether you are talking, navigating, listening to music, or charging. Universal design holds any phone securely in position, and it's compatible with other box cases. And 10-watt fast wireless charging, and 15-watt wireless charging, and 5-watt. So you have the full range for all devices out there. But I think it was not for 15, it was 10-watt, I think. 5-watt, 7.5-watt, or 10-watt, I don't know about this. I'm thinking about. But it's no way. It will load your battery inside with the fastest thing your smartphone will support. In the Apple devices, it was, I think it was 10-watt or 7.5-watt. I'm not really sure now. But it's fast enough for me and fast enough, I hope so, for you out there. So, smartly adjust power mount 5-watt, 7.5-watt, and 10-watt. The charger will automatically interrupt the charge when the battery reaches the full area. It is compatible with 11, iPhone 11, 11 Pro, Pro Max, X, down to 8 Plus. Samsung Galaxy Edge nodes and all other QI-enabled phones. I like it really much, and it was 15 watt, I think. 15, then 10, and 7.5. Or 5. It doesn't care. It doesn't matter. It is fast enough to get the power inside my smartphone, and this is the important thing. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel soon.